And remember, not just along the line of actual control, India and China are also facing off in the digital battlefield. Since the tension in Ladakh escalated, there has been a mega surge in Chinese-sponsored cyber attacks for India. From banks to infrastructure sectors to smartphone companies as well, they've been all on the target of hackers. Can India really build a firewall against China's hacking attempts? Take a look at this very important report.
Over 40,000 attacks in 5 days. After the border face-off, China is now targeting Indian cyberspace. India's infrastructure and banking sectors have been under attack. Maharashtra Police's cyber cell that's probing the attack says the Indian government sectors still remain vulnerable.
ज़्यादातर ये सब साइबर अटैक्स जो हैं या हैकिंग अटैक्स जो हैं वो चेंडू एरिया, चाइना के चेंडू एरिया से ओरिजिनेट हो रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ ब्रॉडली इनको 3 कैटेगरी में बांटा जा सकता है। नंबर 1 टाइप ऑफ अटैक्स हैं जो कि डिनायल ऑफ सर्विस अटैक्स हैं। दूसरे टाइप के अटैक्स हैं जो कि इंटरनेट प्रोटोकॉल हाईजैकिंग अटैक्स हैं। और थर्ड टाइप के अटैक हैं वो है फिशिंग अटैक्स।
According to a Singapore-based cyber threat intelligence firm, the sectors that were targeted for cyber attacks included telecom, pharma, media companies, smartphone makers, construction and tire companies. The analysis also shows that the hackers particularly targeted 3 government ministries: Foreign Affairs, Defense and Information and Broadcasting.
The attack on our critical infrastructure by destruction of our critical infrastructure, especially in the time of pandemic. Now, if we were to analyze sectors like telecom or power sector, we have huge dependencies of Chinese equipment.
The government has also issued an advisory through the National Cybercrime Portal, warning users of large-scale phishing attacks planned by Chinese state-backed hackers. The advisory warns against a specific email address, mails from which claim to offer free COVID-19 testing.
The capacity of Chinese hackers is humongous. We have no idea what their level of hacking abilities are. In every university, there are committed hackers groups which are all funded by the Chinese military, and they have been given specific tasks to hack our systems as and when it is required.
It's not just India. Australian governments and private websites have also come under a sophisticated China-sponsored cyber attack. Experts say India needs to build a strong firewall and fast.
India for long has not given the kind of importance to cybersecurity that it should have given. India still does not have a dedicated law on cybersecurity. Work quickly towards coming up with a standard operating procedure for all stakeholders as to what all duties and responsibilities they are going to have in the event of a cyber attack.
Could the next big flashpoint be fought on the digital battlefield? Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.